It was in Ibach, in 1884, where Carl Elsner and his mother, Victoria, opened a cutlery cooperative that would soon produce the first knife sold to the Swiss Army. The original model, called the soldier knife, was made for troops who needed a foldable tool that could open canned food and aid in disassembling a rifle. The soldier knife included a blade, a reamer, a can opener, a screwdriver, and had oak handles.
This is the model we have chosen. It is the smallest of the range but still has 7 functions. These are a blade, a nail file, a screwdriver, scissors, keyring, tweezers and a toothpick.
The small scissors come into use around the workshop but can also be useful in life and death situations.
You're our last hope.
Red wire, blue wire, black is usually the ground. So much pressure. Pressure!
The nail file, originally made for grating Swiss cheese, is now used for nails. A short 1-inch blade that can be used for daily tasks.
Coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown.
To be very powerful, very capable, but also remarkably simple to use.